Vanessa, you remember the vacation Aurelius and I are taking tomorrow? Of course. You mentioned it on the video call 4 days ago. After this trip, everything changes. What do you mean everything changes? Just that. Everything changes. Chloe, are you still in contact with Ben? Ben is a very organized person. Always has been. I need you to be careful. Whatever you are thinking, I need you to be very careful. When have I ever not been careful? I have been thinking about tomorrow all day.
The island.
Just the two of us. No phones, no meetings, no city noise, just water and quiet and time. I feel like we have not really been present with each other lately. I want that back.
Why the island specifically?
Because out there are no distractions. Nothing to pull us in different directions. It is just us and whatever we decide together.
Whatever we decide together.
Trust me. Tomorrow, everything is ready.
The boat is confirmed my people will be there. He won't see it coming.
And after?
After it is just us. Everything he has, all of it.
I cannot wait.
Text only from now, nothing more.
Marcus Aurelius once said, "Look things in the face and know them for what they are." I see you, Chloe. Then let us finish this together. It is time. Move tonight. All of it. Before we board, I need to ask you something, and I need the truth.
Always.
Have you been faithful to me?
You are the only man in my life. You know that. Why would you even ask me that?
And this trip, the island, the privacy, the no phones, the no outside voices. Is it really just a vacation?
Aurelius, what kind of question is that? Where is this coming from?
Who is Ben?
How do you...
The call last night. I was standing at the door. I heard enough.
Aurelius, I am sorry. I did not know how to get out. This marriage, this life, I felt trapped and Ben was the only person who made me feel like there was a way out.
Do not! What was planned for that island is not the result of feeling trapped. That is not confusion. That is not weakness. That is a decision assembled carefully and executed in cold blood. You do not get to call that a mistake.
You are right. I cannot call it a mistake. I never loved you, Aurelius. I love Ben. This marriage was arranged by our families. I never had a real choice, and I handled it in the worst possible way.
You could have told me that on any ordinary morning, over coffee, in passing, at any moment across all the years we shared. I would have opened that door for you myself, with grace, without bitterness, without a single hard word.
Instead, you chose the island. You know what the most painful part of all of this is? Not what you planned. Not the betrayal. Not even Ben. It is that I would have given you your freedom the moment you asked for it. No lawyers, no arguments, no spectacle.
Just an open door and your dignity fully intact.
I did not know that.
You never asked.
When did you...
My team moved while you were sleeping.
In the same silence you used to plan against me, Ben has been arrested. Please escort her.
Will you ever forgive me?
I gave her a world she never had to earn. And in return, she sat across from me every morning, warm, present, convincing, while assembling my end in the background. What stays with me is not the betrayal. What stays with me is the silence of it. How completely ordinary every day looked
While something extraordinarily dark was being built beneath it. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Look things in the face and know them for what they are." I saw it, and when I did, I moved in silence.
Her plan was built on deception. Mine was built on truth. Truth always outlasts the architecture built against it. Trust what you observe, not what is performed for you in the loud ones. The air is clean. Stay disciplined. Stay alert. Stay free.